Amazon Athena is a serverless query service that allows you to analyze data directly in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. With Athena, you don't need to set up or manage any infrastructure. You simply point to your data in S3, define the schema, and start querying using standard SQL syntax. It's a powerful tool for data analysis without the complexity of traditional database systems. Let's understand what makes Athena special. First, it's completely serverless, meaning there's no infrastructure to manage or provision. Second, it queries data directly in Amazon S3, so your data stays where it is. Third, you only pay for the queries you run, making it cost-effective for occasional or regular analysis. And fourth, it uses standard SQL syntax powered by Presto, so if you know SQL, you already know how to use Athena. Athena supports a wide variety of file formats, making it incredibly flexible. You can query CSV files, JSON documents, Parquet and ORC columnar formats, Avro files, tab-separated values or TSV, and even Apache web server logs. This means whether your data is structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, Athena can handle it. You don't need to convert your data to a specific format before querying. Here's a simple example of how to query data in Athena. This query selects all columns from a table called sales data in a database called My Database. It filters results where the year equals 2024 and the region is as East 1, then limits the output to 100 rows. Notice the syntax is standard SQL, so it's familiar and easy to write if you've worked with databases before. Athena supports all standard SQL aggregate functions. In this example, we're grouping orders by product category and calculating two metrics: the total number of orders using count and the total revenue using sum. The results are then ordered by total revenue in descending order. This type of query is perfect for generating business insights and understanding sales patterns across different product categories. When working with JSON data, Athena provides special functions to extract nested fields. The JSON extract scalar function allows you to pull specific values from JSON objects using JSON path notation. In this example, we're extracting the username and email from a nested user object, as well as a timestamp field. This makes it easy to work with semi-structured data without having to flatten it first. Athena offers several compelling benefits. Fast setup means you can start querying in minutes without provisioning any infrastructure. Auto-scaling ensures that Athena automatically handles queries based on your workload, scaling up or down as needed. Security is built in with IAM integration and encryption support for data at rest and in transit. And finally, Athena integrates seamlessly with other AWS services like QuickSight for visualization, Glue for data cataloging, and various business intelligence tools. Athena is perfect for several common scenarios. Ad hoc analysis lets you explore data quickly without building complex ETL pipelines. Log analysis is a major use case, allowing you to query CloudTrail logs, VPC flow logs, and application logs directly. Business intelligence teams use Athena to connect visualization tools for creating reporting dashboards. And for data lake queries, Athena enables interactive SQL queries on petabyte-scale data lakes, making massive datasets accessible through simple SQL commands.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.